begin, you'll need to remove the sunroof panel from the vehicle. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Remove the sunroof and lay it on something that will protect the paint while you're working on it. The seal is one long piece. The best place for the seams to join is in the center rear, red arrow. You will need to remove the old seal from the roof. If you are replacing it, there's a good chance the seal will come off easily. If not, make sure to not damage the paint when removing it. With the old seal off, use a good adhesive remover and remove all of the old gasket material. Make especially sure to get the corners completely clean. Make sure to spot test the adhesive remover in an inconspicuous area first to ensure it does not damage the paint. Use a good soap and water and get all of the adhesive remover off and let the roof section dry. The new gasket will come rolled up. It helps to lay it out in a straight line before installing it. Another idea is to get it warm by laying it out in the sun for a while. This makes it much more pliable and easier to work with. The gasket needs to be installed in one direction. The channel, red arrow, sits over the ridge in the roof panel. The felt section faces the roof, yellow arrow, while the circular section faces the inside top of the sunroof panel. Pre-fit the seal to the roof panel. The seal should be several inches too long. You can do a preliminary trim of the seal at this time, just don't trim it too short. You're going to need to use a good weather stripping adhesive to install the seal. I have found the 3M Black Super Weather Strip to be the best. Make sure you follow the instructions of whatever you buy carefully. Install the new seal beginning at the center front of the panel under the center latch, yellow arrow. There have been lots of issues with the new seal being too large or fat for the roof to close properly. If you firmly press the seal in place and lightly stretch it as you go, it should fit snug and cause you no problems. I like to use a dowel and roll it out along outwards as I install the seal, red arrow. When you have the seal fully installed, you can do the final trimming of the joint with a new sharp razor blade. Remember, you can always cut it shorter, but you cannot cut it longer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.